Yeah.
So does this include electricity,
Yeah.
water,
Water is here.
and Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi is here.
What's the name of these apartments?
Bamburi Beach Villas.
Bamburi
is
Beach
villas.
Villas.
Here you can wash clothes.
Is this a hookup to a washing machine or no?
Yeah.
I could hook up a washing machine here?
Yeah, you can connect wash machine.
Yeah, but it looks like it's painted over.
Yeah. Here is the kitchen.
Nice.
There's one toilet here.
This is the common bathroom. Oh, I like this. Is this the only apartment available?
Yeah.
It's the only one?
Yeah. This is on one.
No, I'm saying, is there another one closer to the beach? Or no?
No, there's not another one there. All is full.
Yeah. I like this. And it comes with Wi-Fi, correct?
No?
It comes with Wi-Fi?
Yeah, here is Wi-Fi. That's Wi-Fi.
And this works?
Safe. This is safe. Here also there's one room, but there's no keys. Let me go to check the keys for here.
Okay. Yeah.
Can you go?
Yeah.
Let me go now.
So there's access to the pool, and right there you could just get out and go onto the beach, which I believe is Pirates Beach. So this seems nice. Also, I don't know what's down there, but it belongs to this complex or to these villas. So I'm really liking this, yeah. You could just walk out and go to the beach, or you could go to the pool. Too bad these are taken. But if somebody comes out, could definitely move in over there. TV would have to be replaced. Nothing with this color. Think you got enough bedrooms?
Yeah.
Think you got enough beds? What is this, for a family?
This is the family. But if you want, you can
Take
pick
it
up
out.
this, you buy yours and you keep it.
And would it be a problem if I painted this white?
Oh, you want a white this one?
Yeah. Would it be a problem if I painted it?
Yeah, you can do.
Okay. I like it. And how much are you guys asking for? Long term?
What?
Long term.
Long time.
How much are you asking?
That guy can tell you.
And if somebody,
But you want to sign 1 year. To sign
okay,
contract for 1 year.
and if somebody moves from one of those, can I move if they
Yeah,
move?
yeah.
Yeah, because those have better views.
Yeah,
of
that
the
is a
ocean.
good view.
And they're here also long term, those people?
Yeah, these two here, there's long people, long time also.
Uh,
These two.
can you still see the ocean on the bottom floor?
Yeah. Yeah. Hello.
Little private space here too. Although, doesn't make sense because got a nice balcony on the other side, overlooking the ocean. So let's go check the shared area. So apparently you already have people living here long term. You told me all the ones on top, they're long term. This is the last one. Obviously it's the least desirable because it's the furthest one away from the ocean. Whoever's living on the first one really got a good view. Ain't nothing there to block it. What's this?
Before there's bar, but now
No bar.
it's closed. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
What about that building? Are they available?
There's apartment also this.
They look the same as this?
No, there's no sir, the same. It's different.
Which one looked nicer?
I think that one is nice than this one. Let you look, then I'm going to show you also.
Is it also 2-bedroom?
Yeah.
And you could also see the ocean.
Yeah, yeah.
It's nice. So the small one is for the kids.
Yeah.
So from here I can see the ocean. From
Yeah.
from this
here.
floor.
From here, there's no possible to get from here.
The ocean.
From there, you can get.
But
time.
from here?
But there's
This one and that one you can't see the ocean.
yeah. But here there's not possible to get a long time.
Oh, okay. It's not possible to get long term. So this is where you
shower.
bathe after you go to the pool.
You came from the beach.
It's amazing. So then you just walk here. And there you have it. And on low tides, you could actually walk. You could actually walk to Nyali.
Yeah. That is the Nyali.
Walk all the way down there to Kingston,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
My friend did that already.
Oh.
Because my
You
My
stay
friend
there.
also wants to move here. amazing view. So now we're going up the other building, right?
Yeah. See now this one and that one. Which is the best?
Well, this one doesn't have a TV.
But if you wait, I can take the TV.
Okay, I see. This one you definitely
Yeah.
get the ocean.
It's direct.
Yes, absolutely. Got a big balcony.
Yeah, this is the balcony.
You could put one of those
Yeah.
one of those banana-looking swing things.
Yeah, yeah. You can keep here.
And the master bedroom has access,
Yeah.
direct
yeah,
access.
Yeah, master bedroom.
Okay, I see. I see why you said. Oh, and the master bedroom got it. You can see
Yeah.
the ocean. I see. But it may not seem like a big difference, but over there it's closer, right? And you can hardly see that thing.
Yeah. Yeah, there's shower,
Okay, it's
toilet.
yeah. These apartments are definitely more modern.
This is the another bedroom.
Very high
This one kitchen
ceilings.
is separate. The kitchen is separate.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the pantry. I actually like that part. I like the other one better. I like the kitchen not separated. This one, okay. Big space here.
Yeah, you can make the washing machine. Yeah, that
Yeah.
is the washing machine.
What's up with the plastic chairs? this if somebody rents this what you guys are gonna furnish? Plastic
Yeah.
chairs? Jesus. And this definitely lacks color coordination. You got there you go.
What about this one and that one?
I
I think this one's better than that one.
I like the bathroom better, and I like the fact that it has 2 large wardrobes. But I don't like the kitchen separated with, yeah. So I don't know. It's almost a tie. Someone that plans on living here is almost obliged to buy a dining set, because you have guests over. It gives a bad impression that you got plastic chairs when you're dining. Yeah. So yeah, I don't think there's anything like just walking out and being at the beach. Also, there's bars